Hello, hello, hello. This is the commode. The commode we just install it here, no leak here. So this is the 1 hour. We put it here, and also we'll check it before we get out in this house. We have to check it if you have no leak right there. This is the one. This new house. This is new house. We do a residential, commercial. This is the tab here. We just put on there. Right there, we just put this. Also, they have this is the this one here is a kitchen sink. This is the island sink here. This is the beautiful island sink. We put it in here, and we have to. I don't have a leak here. We check it, no leak here, so it's good thing. No leak there. And also this is the master bedroom, master sink. This is the master sink, we call it. So we don't have a leak. We check it too. No leak. This is the master shower. This is the master shower. Look at that, it's very beautiful. Look at that. We put the here, that's all our job. We just put it here, there. We call it the plumbing. We did the plumbing. This is a bathroom here. We just put it there, new bathroom. And also this one here. This is, we call it family bathroom, family shower. This one. So this, and also we have the upstairs. I tour you around on the sink and bathroom here. This is the upstairs house. We do also we put it also a tub shower. This is shower here, shower and new bathroom. We just done today. This one here and this one. So it's no leaks, it's good thing. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.